1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Let's get you guys a cold start. She is hammered, boys. Hammered, hammered, hammered. Super hammered. Dude, when I say hammered, I'm talking like hammered. I literally, like, the car literally looks like it's airbagged and it's laid out while I'm driving. Like, it is insane. Look at it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I know there's a lot of people probably hating the fact that I lowered this thing and the way it turned out. Like I said, some people who normally own cars like this normally wouldn't do things that I'm about to do to this car. Well, it's gonna be different on this channel. If you guys are wondering why I counted the steps from my bedside to my car, that is because a race car. And if you guys are wondering why I dropped the car so low, well, because race car. Anyways, the whole steps thing, I could not think of a damn number for my race livery that we're going to wrap this car with. What better number? I just got the inspiration from Carroll Shelby. Whenever he named his GT350, he literally sat there and said, well, how far is that car from here? And one of the engineers or somebody inside of that conference room said it's about 350 yards away, and he said, well, there we go, it's the GT350. I guess that's how he named it. Now don't quote me on that. I have heard that from someone that is really well informed on Shelby's and Mustangs itself, the whole entire history. They actually own a Carroll Shelby GT350 race car signed by Carroll Shelby. Just gave me the idea of getting my race number on this car. So my race number, you guys now know, is going to be 44. Well, the number that's going to be on my race livery is going to be 44 because I'm probably not going to be racing. But the car is going to be a street legal race car on the street, as you guys know. So 44 is our number, you guys. 44, and it actually looks pretty cool. I was kind of glad that it was 44 and not like, I don't know, like 36 or just something random. I don't know. 44 is a cool number, so we're gonna work with 44, and I'm excited, super excited. So anyways, guys, if you are new to the channel, thank you so much. Like I said earlier, I truly appreciate you guys. My name is Gabe Gutierrez, so welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is kind of weird, as you guys know, with this whole thing that's going on around the world. There really hasn't been much for us car vloggers to do, although you guys do know that I do have to run errands pretty much each and every single day. So that is what I'm going to be doing, and I have pretty much turned this car into my daily driver. Like, I literally have not even driven my DURAMAX in, I don't even know, since I pretty much got the car. So I really love driving this car. If you guys are wondering, this car is seriously like a really good daily driver. And I know it's a McLaren, and look, every supercar pretty much has its ups and downs, and the best way, I believe, to maintain your car and not have it fail on you or not have anything go wrong with it, crossing my fingers, is by driving it. Little like knickknacks here and there, like maybe the tail light. Like right now I'm having problems with the tail light, but that's not because of it sitting. Honestly, I'm talking when the cars are just sitting, I'm talking like motor and like transmission stuff or clutch and just mechanical stuff in general. But this car, like I said, it is stupid low. It is seriously like a race car low, and I love it. Like it's me. I just love the entire race car look. It's my thing. By the way, if you guys are wondering where that GT350 Shelby car is, I told you guys in the last vlog that when I was coming home, the speed bumps, dude, seriously, those are the ones that had were kind of tripping me out. But check this out. So we do kind of rub a little bit. Here's a speed bump right here. Oof. Hear that? Okay, so it sounds pretty bad, but it's really not that bad. It's just because it's right under me. There's like a little fin. There's like a little tiny fin, and that's the one thing that it rubs. And there's another fin over on the passenger side, and that is what it's rubbing. Although this speed bump right here isn't too bad if I, oh, never mind, it is. I guess at certain spots it doesn't even touch, like on this first speed bump. That's all I have for speed bumps. And here you guys have some little bit of valley view. I love this car so much. Like the whole blow-off valve and oh, talking about the blow-off valve, so I ended up ordering some parts for my blow-off valve that is going to make the blow-off valve sound like really loud, like a lot louder than what it is. Right now the car has like a silencer pretty much on it. So then what I ordered were some adapters that fit in it and allows the pressure of the air to release and be really, really loud. So I'm excited for that. I can't wait to put that on. We're probably not going to do that until we do the exhaust. Some good news is late last night I got a message, I got an email from FI Exhaust, and they are willing to sponsor me, sponsor my car. So super excited about that. We're now working a deal with them, and dude, there is going to be a crazy exhaust coming for this car, I believe. So you guys stay tuned for that. You guys make sure to smash that subscribe button if you guys do want to. It's probably, I'm pretty sure it's going to be the first in the States on the 12C with this exhaust setup, and it is going to be outrageous. Just got to my office. Now, let's go do this. I just gotta I think I gotta sign some. What the hell is wrong with that car? That thing was making some weird ass noises. Shiz, boys. Let's see. There's nobody here right now. I do gotta sign some checks, I believe. Gotta sign some, if you guys don't know, I'm in the ag industry, so yeah, there you have it. It's the reason why I'm in the shop, and it's the reason why my office is in a shop. This is actually the yard where there is, just a second, this, boom, boom. I need a pin. Where does she have her pins? Damn, I hate when she doesn't have my favorite pins here. Well, anyways, I gotta sign some checks. Oh. And then, so that goes there. Okay, well, there's that one, this one, these checks. Now we got checks here, so we gotta go to the bank now. And here's some more checks right here for me to sign. So my pins actually have to be like really smooth when it comes to signing. I don't know why. I'm just really weird of signing with other kinds of pins. Like, you know the little pins that have, here, let me see. I don't know if she has one here, but there's some pins that have like a little metal thing, and then they got, I'm not even gonna be able to explain it. I'm not even gonna try to explain it because I'm probably gonna look stupid. But they kind of like scratch the paper in a way, or at least it feels like that. Like it feels super weird, kind of like when you're scratching a chalkboard. Ugh, I just hate that. Yeah, no, not for me, dude. Not if a pen is gonna do that, especially when I'm signing checks. Yeah, nope. My favorite, super smooth, like ballpoint gel, and all this stays, these will get picked up, and we are done here, boys. Let's get out of here. Yeah, if you guys thought I was just gonna baby this thing, yeah, no, that's not the point here. The point here is we're gonna drive the shit out of this car, right? Like that's what we got it for. That's what, honestly, showing what these people that own these cars, showing them that, come on, man, showing them that they should be driving them. Look at this thing laid out on the dirt. Like, this is all DG, but look at this. Like, we're driving this thing, all right? We're driving it. We're not gonna baby it. We're not gonna be that guy. I'm really sorry my camera died right there. I really need to I need to get another battery for this thing. It's usually like lasting a long time, and I did have one accident with it. I dropped it pretty hard, I'm not gonna lie. I dropped it actually at GI Automotive. The first time when I went to pick up my car, the very first time, dude, that thing, like, yeah, I'm surprised it's still even here. Like, it took a freaking fall. Like, it was so, I literally thought my thing was shattered. It was bad. It was really bad. But it's alive. The only thing I noticed is as soon as I left GI, my camera died. If you guys remember that video, my camera did die, and so I ended up finishing my vlog with my phone. But so that just happened right now. It just died. I had one day of recording, and then I started today, and it's dead. So whatever. All right, so I want to show you guys this. You see this wing, how it's up? It's the air brake. So the thing looks so dope right there. I love that look. But this is what I was talking about with Anthony, that the air brake sometimes gets stuck. It's actually stuck right now, so I can manually put it down. But I kind of honestly like it with it up. That's why I always keep it at a certain angle. Usually it's usually like just right up here, breaking it a little bit so it doesn't look so smooth. Sometimes it also resets itself when you turn off the engine completely, let it shut off, and start it back up. Go to active. So okay, so it reset itself. This wing will come down. There it goes. So that's usually where I keep it. Let's hear that blow off valve. It sounds really good. Honestly, like, surprisingly, it sounds really good for it being stock. But with that adapter that I ordered for it, it's gonna sound amazing. Like, here, I'll let you listen to this. You guys hear that? It sounds so dope. Here's another one. Dude, this thing just, I love this car, dude, so much. I freaking love this thing. There's a truck that pulled over. You guys already know I have to have my Monster for the day. They didn't have the blue one, but I gotta settle with the green one, which I love, but I just didn't want the extra sugars and stuff. But it is what it is. We're driving up the hill right now, just about to my house. Just pulled into my garage. Thank you guys so much. Seriously, everybody, all the new subscribers, I hope you guys are enjoying. I hope I'm keeping you guys somewhat entertained throughout these hard times. I hope you and your families are all staying safe. We're trying as hard as we can to stay safe and away from stuff, and yeah, hence the reason why I can't go out and do anything fun. You guys already know, not just me, but every other creator out there, and YouTuber and Instagrammer, whatever there is, it's really hard, like really hard to be pushing content throughout these times. So I'm trying my best, but I mean, if I can do anything, of course I'm gonna go out and film it. So anyways, guys, hope you guys are staying safe. Like Squad, as always, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, everybody. If you guys are longtime watchers and have not subscribed yet, do me a favor, smash that subscribe button. We are growing each and every single day. Thank you guys so much. Always remember, what we think, we become. Peace.